Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this Union that I received from Peter Lewis. I have picked this before, but I can't get it on camera, at least not yet. Listen to this shackle. The snap to this it's insane. Yeah, it's one of the strongest springs I've ever seen. And this is also the only one that, only padlock I've ever owned that I can turn counterclockwise as well as clockwise. So let's go ahead, get this in a vise, and let's see if I can pick it, because I really want to get this on camera. I feel like there's just a little bit of movement on the core there. Definitely a little bit of a false set. Start over. The feedback on this is very subtle. All right, there it is. Sweet. Oh, that's cool. What a great lock. Really nice. Awesome. Glad to get that open. Anyway, Peter Lewis, Irish Lockpicker, thank you again. Everyone check him out. But I'm going to put a link right here. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe to see more, and have a great day.